Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we will discuss about the concepts of mathematics. In my previous video, we have discussed about the concepts of real number. In this video, we will discuss more about the exercises. My exercises will be in several parts, so keep watching my video for more and more exercises. So here let's start with the NCERT book, exercise 1.1 real number. The first question is, use Euclid's algorithm to find the HCF of these below numbers. I will do one question for you and rest you can do yourself. So the question third, let's see for the example, 867 255. Here you can see 867 is greater than 255. तो हमारा ये नंबर बड़ा है 255 से. तो यूक्लिड्स एल्गोरिथम के हिसाब से how we will go for this? Let's see, this is the third question. 866 equal to 255 multiply, let's see, you can divide 867 with 255 so that you can get the number. You can do like this simply, 867 3 times, subtract it, you will get remainder 102. So multiply 3 plus 102. Here you can see remainder is not 0. So यहाँ रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं है, तो हम लोग इसको फर्दर प्रोसीड करेंगे. अब हमारा ये दो नंबर होगा. 255 इज बिगर, सो व्हाट वी विल डू, 255 इज इक्वल टू 102 मल्टीप्लाई, हाउ मच टाइम्स वी विल मल्टीप्लाई, लेट्स सी, आई थिंक 2 टाइम्स प्लस 51. यस, सो अगेन यू कैन सी रिमाइंडर इज नॉट 0. सो हम क्या करेंगे, एक बार फिर इसको आगे प्रोसीड करेंगे. अब हमारा नंबर है 102 and 51. सो वी विल गो लाइक दिस, 102 इज इक्वल टू 51 मल्टीप्लाई 2 प्लस 0. सो यहां हमने देखा रिमाइंडर 0. हियर यू कैन सी दैट रिमाइंडर इज 0 एंड फॉर विच नंबर, फॉर विच डिवाइजर इट इज 0, इट इज फॉर 51 एंड हेंस वी कैन से दैट HCF इज 51. सो फ्रेंड्स, सेम प्रोसेस आपको फॉलो करना है इन दो क्वेश्चंस में. आपको इसको प्रोसीड करना है यूक्लिड्स एल्गोरिथम के हिसाब से. यू हैव टू यूज द फॉर्मूला A इक्वल टू BQ प्लस R, और जिस समय आपका R 0 आता है, एट दैट टाइम द वैल्यू ऑफ डिवाइजर विल बी योर HCF. ओके, लेट्स गो फॉर सेकेंड क्वेश्चन नाउ. So that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 where q is some integer. How we will do that? Okay, let's do it. Solution. Let a be any integer. Let a is any positive integer. Okay, so we can and this we can say b, and b is equal to 6. Then again, which formula we will use? We will use Euclid's algorithm. So as per Euclid algorithm, we can write a is equal to 6q plus r. आपको याद होगा ये r का वैल्यू कहां से कहां तक जाएगा. सो यहां r का वैल्यू 0 से बड़ा होकर लेस देन 6 जाएगा. अब हम क्या करेंगे, लेट्स पुट दिस वैल्यू 1 by 1. ओके, सो वी कैन राइट a इज इक्वल टू 6q. सी, इफ आई विल कीप वैल्यू ऑफ r एज 0, देन इट विल बी 6q. ओके, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 4, 6q plus 5, यहां तक 6 से छोटा है, सो 0 to 5. तो ये हमारा a का वैल्यू होगा. अभी हमको साबित करना है कि ऑड इंटीजर +1 +3 +5 के फॉर्म में होगा. तो हम लोग को फोकस करना है इस पर. ठीक है, लेट्स डू हाउ वी कैन डू दिस. We can write a is equal to this 6q, we can write 2 multiply 3q, right? So this how we can write? 6q plus 1. 6q plus 1 we can write as 2 multiply 3q plus 1. Okay. Then let's focus on 6q plus 3. We will not focus on plus 2 because we don't bother about this. 6q plus 3 कैसे इसको लिख सकते हैं? इसको हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 2 multiply 3q plus 1 plus 1. See, ये 6q plus 2 plus 1, 6q plus 3. Then think about this, 6q plus 5 कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 2 multiply 3q plus 2 plus 1. It will become 6q plus 5. So we are focusing on 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5, 6q plus 1. Okay. Now a is equal to, just leave 2 into 3q. Focus on this. 3q. Okay. Here you can think that 3q is equal to k1. 2k1 plus 1. This 2, consider this as k2. 2k2 plus 1. k3. 2k3 plus 1. हमने क्या किया है यहां पर? हमने यहां पर किया है 3q को k1 मान लिया, इसे हमने शॉर्ट फॉर्म में कर दिया है. 3q plus 1 को k2, 3q plus 2 को k3, ताकि ये शॉर्ट फॉर्म में हो जाए. अब you can see clearly that any number, any integer, if it will be multiplied by 2, it will be even number, and if we will add 1, it will be odd number. So 2k plus 1, clearly it's an odd number. 2k2 plus 1, it will give odd number. 2k3 plus 1, it will give odd number. So hence we can prove it that for any positive odd integer, see, it can be written in the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5, because हमने 6q plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 को ही लेकर प्रोसीड किया और we have proved that these are the odd integer. Hope this is clear. Okay, so अभी हमने second question देखा. Now let's move to third question. What question say? An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. Okay. Total 616 members, they have to march behind a band of 32 members in parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. See, this is the important line. To march in the same number of column. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? Maximum number of columns. So what we can think of? What we have to do? We have to find out the HCF. Because we have to find the maximum number of columns, and the two groups have to march in same number of columns. Therefore, we have to find the highest common factor. So हमें highest common factor किसका किसका निकालना है? हमें निकालना है 616 and 32 का. तो हमारा सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा? हमारा सॉल्यूशन होगा HCF of 616 and 32. Again, okay. So again we will use the Euclid's algorithm to solve this problem. Okay. So how we will solve this? Let's see. There are two numbers, 616 and 32. So the solution will be HCF of 616 and 32, because we have to identify the maximum number of column, highest common factor. And why it is highest common factor? Because they are using same number of columns. Okay, so let's proceed using Euclid's algorithm. 616 is greater than 32. So we can write 616 is equal to 32 multiply 19, and see what will be the remainder. Should be 8. You can check it. You just check it. 616 3 times. Okay, so you can see 19 and 8. 8 is the remainder. So 616 is equal to 32 multiplies 19 plus 8. So here remainder is not 0. रिमाइंडर यहाँ 0 नहीं है, तो हमें आगे प्रोसीड करना है. अब हमारे लिए दो नंबर है 32 and 8. So 32 is equal to 8 multiplied 4 plus 0. So यहाँ रिमाइंडर 0 आया. And this remainder 0 is for which number? So this is for, okay, so for this 8 we got the remainder 0, hence HCF is 8. So the answer will be, the maximum number of columns is 8 in which they can march. So answer is 8. Hope you understand this question. Okay, we will go for another question. Okay, next question is, use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. So how we will solve this, we have to think of. So 3, let's assume a is a positive number. Let a is positive integer. Okay, now we have to prove this in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. So we can write a is equal to 3q plus r, where r less than 3 greater than 0. You remember कॉन्सेप्ट सेक्शन के क्लास में हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन लेमा के बारे में. सो दिस इज यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन लेमा. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन लेमा वी कैन राइट ए पॉजिटिव इंटीजर a इज इक्वल टू 3q plus r, where r satisfies this condition. Now what we can do? The question is, so the square of any positive integer. So what we will do? We will do the square first. Before square, let's put value of r. So what will be the value of a? A could be 3q if we will put r is equal to 0. If 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2. Okay, so here we can keep r 0, 1 and 2. So we have kept the value of r 0, value of r 1, value of r 2. We satisfy this formula. Now we have to identify the square of any positive integer. So हम लोगों को यहाँ क्या करना है, हमें यहाँ पे स्क्वायर निकालना है. a square is equal to 9q square, 3q plus 1 का whole square. I hope you know the formula of a plus b का whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we will write this a square 9q square plus 2ab. 2ab it will be 6q. Okay, plus b square 1. And what will be this? The same a plus b ka whole square formula we will use. 9q square plus 12q plus 4. We will get these three. Now see, we have to find the form of 3m, 3m plus 1. So हमारा टारगेट होगा इसको 3 के मल्टीपल में लिखने का. So हम लोग कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 3 multiply 3q square. One number. Next number we can write 3q plus 2, or I think we can write 3q square plus this. Okay, so you can see 9q square, 6q plus 1. Again we have to break this. We can write 3q square, 4q plus 1 this way. So हमने इसे इस तरह से ब्रेक किया है. 9q square, we can write 3 into 3q square, 9q square plus 6q plus 1, this way, this way. क्यों हमने ऐसा किया है? Because we have to prove it either in the form of 3m plus 1. That's why our target was to write it in the form of m plus 1. Now, let's consider 3q square as k1. So, we can write this as 3k1. Consider this we have considered k1. Consider this as k2. Consider this as k3. k1, k2, k3 are any positive integer. So, we can write this 3k1, 3k2 plus 1, 3k3 plus 1. See, you can clearly see that this is in the form of 3m plus 1. See, these two are 3m plus 1. Hence, we can prove that if we will square any positive integer, then it will be either of the form 3m or in the form of 3m plus 1. Okay, so this is proved now. Okay, and the last question for this chapter is, use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. इसके पहले हमने जो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया, वेयर वी हैव टू प्रूव द स्क्वायर ऑफ एनी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 3m plus 1. ये क्वेश्चन सिमिलर है. हियर इंस्टेड ऑफ स्क्वायर वी आर यूजिंग क्यूब. तो इसका तरीका भी बिल्कुल वैसे ही होगा कि आप कोई एक पॉजिटिव इंटीजर a लेंगे, उसको a को 3q प्लस r के फॉर्म में वी हैव टू राइट वेयर r इज लेस देन 3 ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0. तो r का वैल्यू हम क्या लेंगे? 0, 1, 2. और हमें क्या करना होगा? दोनों साइड r के जगह पर 0, 1, 2 करके a इक्वल टू 3q प्लस 1, 3q प्लस 2. इंस्टेड ऑफ स्क्वायरिंग वी विल डू क्यूब and we will use the formula of a plus b का whole cube. And after that we will do the same process. Using same process we can prove this. I will keep this for you guys. आप लोग इसको solve करो. If you will find any difficulty, comment me. Give me comment in YouTube channel. I will solve this question. Okay? Okay. So guys, it was our exercise video for NCERT book exercise 1.1. Keep watching my video for exercise 1.2 which I will upload very soon. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.